I'm Wongster 1970, and today I'm going to be installing this 3D printed air filter cover on my 1987 Honda XL600R. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to have to do is remove all of this in here. That is support. And I need to be able to print this out. So I'm going to get a pair of duckbill pliers and I'm going to start pulling all this out. I'm using these to hopefully pull this out of here. Okay. I'm going to have to get another pair of pliers. Maybe you know what I was to get in here and pull the rest of this out. Okay, I'm going to try a pair of needle nose pliers in here. I'm going to have to get a utility knife, I think, and cut this off. You can see all the stuff that I took off of it so far. And I think I'm going to have to go and pull my other one off, take a look at that one, and make sure I got everything right here. This is the other one that I printed out, but it ran out of filament. So it's close to this one. What I got to do is look at the underneath and see which parts I need to cut out yet. I have to work on that. I got everything trimmed out as best as I can. And now you can see this one compared to this one is better. I'm going to go and see if this will fit on the bike. That should go up in underneath there like that. And with any luck, it's all lined up. The top one, I'm putting in with these spacers. These are the OEM hardware that came with it. Okay, that one started. See if I can get this started. Seems to be working pretty good. Either the case or the box is a little warped. It's not 100%. Cover might be warped. There we go. That seems to be pretty good. I'll have to paint it, make it look a little better, but that should do it. That'll do it for installing the 3D printed air filter box cover on my 1987 XL600R. This was printed using the Anycubic Viper. Thanks for watching.